What's up, guys? We're Classic Awesomeness. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys might be wondering who this guy is. It's our cousin Randy. He's a little bit strange. Face reveal at the end of the intro. We'll be face reviewing him at the end of the intro, like lifting up his Santa Claus hat. Yeah, and this is gonna be a challenge video. And as you guys can see, we have a box here, and we've got two square holes to put our hands through, and we'll be putting like a mystery item, like slash food. Okay, show us your face. And anyways, this is the end of the intro, so face reveal.
Okay.
Do it.
I didn't agree to this.
He did not.
I didn't even sign a waiver, so this is gonna suck.
Round one, an apple for Austin. Austin's supposed to guess this one.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, open it up.
Oh, this is easy. It's an apple.
Cha-ching! Yeah, you're right. Okay, next item we have, well, Randy, and I can't say what it is. For Randy, we have this. Go, okay. Guess it is. It's starting. What is it?
I can touch it now, right?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Let me just peel this because I know it's an orange.
Oh, no! Okay, you got right. Round one. It's very easy.
By the way, we actually get points after every round.
Yep. So we get 5 rounds.
Right.
If you guess it right, you get 1 point. But if you lose,
Then you just don't get a point.
Yeah, you get closer to being the suckiest one,
And the loser.
and you don't want to be that.
Okay, now it's my turn. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm gonna look for the. No, just kidding. Ready? Let's see what it is. Oh, it's our Nerf rival.
Oh, what's... okay, correct. 2 points for you.
Woohoo!
Let's see what you got, dude. Come in.
Oh yeah, by the way, it better be better than the last one because the last one was very appealing.
Yeah, that's nice.
Now this feels like a tiger.
Is that your final?
No.
Is that your final guess?
What?
I mean, answer?
Okay, it has a tail, which is right there. And then it has 4 legs, and that means it's a cat. It's either that. Okay, it has eyes. Looks like, it feels like a tiger or a bear, but I'm guessing tiger.
Cha-ching! Actually, you got it right, dude.
Oh,
Yes!
You got it right. See, that one was a little harder. That one, how do you feel about that one?
You guys actually psyched me out, so yeah.
Right, my turn. I'm getting triggered. What? Oh, it's my stereo or my radio thing.
Okay, since it has these walls, it has to be some sort of stereo system. Air component, which is like making me like it has this cord right here. Which, hey, you want to plug this in really quick?
That'd be too obvious.
I really wonder what this thing is.
One eternity later.
How long? Okay, there. So since it has that, I'm guessing it's some sort of stereo system.
So is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, you
Got it incorrect.
Wait, what? What is it?
you still have 2 points, and Austin is in the lead with 3 points.
Woo!
Go, Austin's item.
Okay, this is the 4th round. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. It's a cup.
That's not what I mean. What's inside there?
Oh.
Ew! Ew, that is disgusting. Ah, that's freezing.
What is it?
Okay, it's very, very gooey. It's either almost ready Jello, like Jello that's not even almost ready, or milk or cream. What do you think it is?
What do you guess?
Okay, cream or Jello? I mean, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say it's cream. Is it green?
Incorrect, you nub! So you guys are. Austin has 3. He has 2, but you have a
Wait,
chance.
yeah, I do.
That's sad.
Wait, is it actually cream?
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Look at his hands.
Oh man.
What was it? It was oil. It was oil. It was oil.
What kind of oil?
Or oil.
No, you wouldn't. That is disgusting.
Okay, Randy's item.
Yeah, see you later.
Why don't you? Yeah, go wash your hands. Oh.
We need a rag. This is never gonna come off. Like, touch my hand right now. Put your hand to the screen and touch it. Touch it. Oh, it's disgusting.
Seriously.
It's never gonna come off.
He cannot get it off. He seriously can't get it off. While Austin's outside there cleaning himself off, we have Randy going to guess the item.
Okay. So this is what, the 4th? Yeah.
Even I don't know what it is.
Okay. It is a cup with some liquid in it.
Maybe.
Oh. Okay, this is really slimy. Okay. Oh.
I don't know what it is.
This, okay, I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
I think it's, okay, my first guess right now is like egg yolk or something.
Is that your final guess?
No, it's not, but.
What is it? What do you think? What do
Or
you
maybe
think?
it's like fish. Like my hands actually feel like really good right now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm gonna say egg yolk. I think it is.
And your final answer is correct.
What? Really?
What? 2-3.
This actually feels really good. I might actually start doing this now. Okay, it actually
Feeling-
feels really good, and I can't wait to actually like wash this stuff off because it's gross. But it feels good, but
It's like you're putting on lotion.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go.
Ew. Put this on the table. I mean, there's just the yellow of it. For the next item, I'm gonna try to trick him. This is the same thing, and it's raw meat. Really, it's the same item.
And yes, we are outside right now. If you can actually notice, it might be hard to see, but we are doing this because it is such a beautiful day outside
We
in the
actually
Mexican air.
recorded. Yeah, this is the Mexican air. We recorded this on December 24th, and I'm not even sure why we didn't go out here in the beginning. Like, look at the background. Like, there's shop, mountains, etc., and corn, and yeah, all that stuff. I don't know why we did. I don't know why we didn't do this in the beginning,
'Cause we're
but
done.
okay. And I guess we're gonna get started now
Yep.
for round 5. Okay, we're coming back now. We were just enjoying the beautiful sight. Okay, my turn. Going first. Strange child.
One eternity later.
This is the final round. If I don't get this and he gets his, whew, I'm gonna lose. I have to do a
And
dare.
you'll get the punishment.
Okay, ready?
Let's see what you got.
Randy, I'll get the punishment.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Set. Oh, I know this. I know what this is. I'm just kidding. I don't.
Okay, go.
Okay, I have.
Now touch it, you nub. Randy's looking at it and he doesn't know.
I have my guesses, but this.
Oh,
You're ripping it apart, cheater.
Okay, we get it. Now you guess it. Guess it. Okay, we're just gonna have to do a countdown, right? 20 seconds.
20.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14.
Three, one.
Bacon. Bacon?
yes.
Bacon?
Yes.
Incorrect, you nub.
My guess is pork chop or fish. I don't know.
I also thought it was fish, but I'm like, no, it's probably a part 2.
And we put ketchup on your hands.
What is
Okay. You put that on there, it's gonna be a surprise. Because Karen put so much on here, we're gonna. Okay, now you can come.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, Randy, guess
Oh
it.
wait, did you actually fall?
Yeah.
Anyways, there was
Guess
some
it! You did
Guess
on
what it
purpose.
Choo choo train.
Oh, correct.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding. Will you win? Will you win?
Is the ice on here?
Maybe, maybe not.
Bet it's just frozen or something.
Okay, so what I'm feeling right now is it's something in ketchup, which I'm guessing. What you do to me?
Okay, what you guessing?
Okay, what I'm guessing is a hamburger patty.
That's what your final guess is?
That is my final guess.
And correct! You had the same thing that Austin had.
Wait, what?
You both got wrong. And you guys know how
I didn't even know what it was.
You guys know how we're gonna find out who is the winner? Okay.
So I might have lost today with all this.
And well, I washed mine off, right? Ah!
Anyways.
Got it in my mouth.
Anyways, so I'm gonna wash this off with this rag because we're not gonna be using it anymore. And for the final challenge, me and Austin have been talking very secretively. Now, this is a little bit of a punishment.
Yeah, it is, right?
Yep. So the punishment is actually for you.
I did not lose!
Yes!
You are the loser.
Yes!
Okay, so now we have pranked Curtis.
Okay.
So what we're gonna be doing now is come over here.
Well, I can run away.
So now
I'm gonna do this punishment because I'm a savage.
No,
No, you're
no,
not.
he's not. He's not.
Okay,
I'm gonna do this punishment.
get in the box. Get in the
This
box.
box?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm here to get
So
you.
It's not
we
real
thought
project.
of some really good stuff to do.
Yeah, we did. See,
And
look.
since
want me to
we've been a little bit of a drastic measurements,
Guys, I'm only putting this on because I'm a savage.
no, you're not. It's a thing called humiliation, okay? Nothing too bad.
I'm putting all this stuff on just because I want to
Okay,
be a savage.
so
and not do
this is what he looks like, okay?
Yes. I'm
This is
gonna
what he
do
looks
this
like.
punishment no matter what.
Okay.
So now you gotta stand there while we do some stuff to you.
Yes.
He won't do it on your hair.
Oh,
Okay.
No.
Oh, no!
Not on the hair. Man.
Can I lay down?
Well, I can.
Okay.
Okay. Help him.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna do some finger painting.
No.
No, not on your hair. Not on your hair. Not on your hair.
On this box.
On the box. Only on the box.
Okay, then I don't care.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, leave it on there. Woohoo! Okay, let's do this.
Got some abs on there. Oh yeah. That's not really the place for abs, but we're gonna call it good.
Okay. Now let me do something. I'll grab some of this and I'll write, I'm
A winner, not a loser.
I am hot. Oh.
your nose.
No.
No! Take it off. There you go.
Okay.
Please like and subscribe for this video. I don't know why I let them do this.
Thanks, Randy, so much for being part of this video.
Oh my.
I did good.
He did really good.
I did good. Hi, Mom.
I like his pun and all. Okay, and I guess please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya!